working with our feet and how to stretch them. So we'll get started from warm up. We take it 2 legs down and up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Change 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take stretch, help your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and stretch yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take open and back. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And take a leg and start to work and take it more and back. 2, back. Good work. Take feet and slowly stretch down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will hope that you like it, subscribe and take me likes, and go and watch my another video. So bye bye.